Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijaऊ Jnanatirth Vidyalay, Pathri Road, Parvani. Friends, today we have to see the General Science of Standard 7th. In this book, we are in the third chapter. The name of the chapter is Natural Resources and Their Properties. Okay. So in the properties of natural resources, up to the last lecture we have seen the properties of air. In that, like all other matter, it has a mass and weight. After that, atmospheric pressure. Okay. After that, barometer, which is used for the measurement of atmospheric pressure. After that, the information about the scientist Daniel Bernoulli. After that, effect of air pressure with one experiment. Okay. Next is the scattering of light. After that, temperature regulation. Next, transmission of sound. After that, properties of water. Next, density of water, anomalous behavior of water. Next, solute, solvent, solution, use of water according to its properties, and soil, properties of soil, soil texture, soil structure, uses of soil, types of soil, and last we have to see today the soil testing and China clay, that is the mineral kaolinite. We have to see the information about these different points. Soil testing. The properties of various ingredients of soil can be determined by soil testing. See, with the help of soil testing, the properties of various ingredients of soil can be determined by soil testing. See here the properties of soil. After that, during soil testing, the soil is examined for color, texture, and the proportion of organic matters in it. Soil is tested to find out if there is a deficiency of any ingredients and to decide what measures should be taken to remove the deficiency. See friends, with the help of this we can find out different proportions of different matters, organic matters in the soil. See, during soil testing, the soil is examined for color, texture, and the proportion of organic matter in it. Soil is tested to find out if there is a deficiency of any ingredients and to decide what measures should be taken to remove the deficiency. See, in this manner, after that, the soil sample collected for testing is dried in an open space in the shade for 8 to 10 days. It is then sifted through a sieve to test, namely the pH and the electrical conductivity test. There are two methods of soil testing. First one is the pH and second one is the electrical conductivity tests. Are particularly useful in finding out the characteristics of soil. You can determine the fertility of the soil in your field with the help of different tests. Okay, see next, causes of diminished soil fertility. What are the causes? What are the reasons behind the diminished soil fertility? So, or in other words, we can say that why or the effect when fertility of soil is decreases, and that is which soil? If the soil pH less than 6 or higher than 8, the soil fertility is not good. After that, low proportion of organic matters in that soil, no proper drainage of water, repeated cultivation of the same crop, continuous use of saline water, excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides are the reasons behind diminished soil fertility. So avoid these and save our soil from infertile. Okay, next, see here, the Danish scientist Sorensen put forth the concept of pH based on the concentration of hydrogen ions. Okay, to determine the pH of soil, a mixture of water and soil in the proportion 1:2 is taken and tested using several indicators. Accordingly, soil may be found to be one of the following three types. See friends, acidic soil pH less than 6.5, neutral soil pH 6.5 to 7.5, alkaline soil pH higher than 7.5. See, these are the different types of soil based on the pH of that soil. After that, the World Soil Day, 5th December, to make efforts for conservation of soil. Okay friends, so always remember, soil texture is disturbed if chemical fertilizers are used excessively and that land becomes unsuitable for sowing. Crops should be rotated in order to maintain the fertility of the land. For example, the fertility of land decreases after harvesting of wheat. Hence, leguminous crops like peanut, moong, moth, bean, pea, lentil, Bengal gram, soybean should be cultivated to restore the fertility of the soil. This is most important because if the rotation in crops is happen, so the organic substances can restore in the soil and the fertility of the soil can be increased. So friends, the chapter of properties of natural resources is over here. So next chapter we have to see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.